Redmi Note 8 Pro is one of the best mid-range phone you can get right now. It offers some premium specs at affordable price, but one of the controversial hardware is the use of MediaTek processor in the phone. Even though this processor offers everything, people don't trust it as much as the Snapdragon counterpart. And it's not their fault, previous MediaTek processors were nothing to be happy about. So for that reason, Xiaomi is going to launch the Snapdragon version of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Also, there is another reason why most people prefer Snapdragon processors over MediaTek is the support of ROM development. Qualcomm is much more developer friendly than MediaTek, and it doesn't look like that's going to change anytime soon. A Xiaomi-focused tipster who posts unannounced development through Twitter account Xiaomi has claimed that Xiaomi phones carrying model number M1912 G7BE and BC have surfaced on China Communications Commission database, that is 3C, and these are said to be the Redmi Note 8 Pro powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC. One of the reported model number was previously speculated to be of the rumored Poco F2. Nevertheless, Xiaomi hasn't yet confirmed that development officially. Twitter user Android Lovers claim that the rest of the specifications will remain the same, and this means the 64-megapixel quad camera setup should make a return as well. The upgraded Redmi Note 8 Pro should have the same glass metal sandwich design and the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The idea of keeping the specifications unchanged is ideal, as the rest of the specifications is up to the mark. The only thing they needed to change is the processor. A Snapdragon 730G version of the Redmi Note 8 Pro will definitely be well received. It will also be an alternative to the phones like Oppo Reno 2, Realme X2 and the Realme XT 730G version scheduled for the release in India in December. So what are your thoughts on this variant of Redmi Note 8 Pro? Comment down below. Xiaomi added in his tweet that the Redmi K30 with model number M1911U2E, 5G and MediaTek processors should launch in December. The phone will support both standalone and non-standalone 5G networks. With respect to design, the Redmi K30 will have a display with a punch hole for dual cameras similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you want to know more about this, then watch my another video from here. Anyways, thanks for watching. Do consider subscribing and also like the video. Peace out.